Welcome back to my channel. My name is Blair if you're new here, and today we're going to do a fun little St. Patrick's Day dessert. This is a very easy one that I found online. I will share the recipe down below, but I am kind of tweaking it a little bit. So I know this isn't technically a bake with me, but we're going to do it as a bake with me for this month. So let me show you what we're going to use, and then we'll get making it. Oh, and keep in mind, I'm only gonna make like technically one serving of this today because it's just me and I don't need a bunch of desserts. So let's get started. So this does not take a lot of ingredients. The main part here is vanilla pudding, green food coloring, whipped topping. Now the regular recipe uses like an Oreo style cookie. I'm using these fudge mint ones, and yes, I've already opened them. And then some small, not small, but mini chocolate chips. So it's going to be very easy. So to get started, you're going to take some of the cookies of choice, and I'm putting them in a Ziploc bag so you can just kind of crunch them up and break them down a little bit. Once you have them broken down, you're going to put them in the bottom of your serving dish. This is going to serve as your base. Now for the second layer, you're basically going to make your pudding mix the way you normally would, just with the milk, which I forgot to mention earlier. And then we're going to add a little bit of green food coloring and mix this up. Once you're done mixing, we're going to go ahead and add it. Don't mind the other jars behind. Like I said, was setting the rest of it aside for another time. But you're going to add what you need for your layer into your serving dish. Next up is your Cool Whip topping, and yes, a can may be a little bit easier. I just bought the tub kind because it was cheaper and I didn't need a lot of it. Finish it off with a little sprinkle of the mini chocolate chips. I know the recipe uses regular sprinkles as well, but I was more about chocolate chips. Look at that yummy dessert. So there you have it, a very easy, fun dessert that works perfectly for St. Patrick's Day. And it's pretty much all stuff you would normally probably make separately, but together they're going to be really good. So I hope you enjoyed, and as always, I hope everybody has a blessed day.